I'm just laughing at the fact that they didn't sleep.
Look at our eye bags.
Yes. Hello. Nangi, that sounds wrong, and then you get me. Hi. Nice. Oh.
We may come around here to have our lunch.
What's the next destination for us?
This is around.
This is Joshua. Hi,
We are
Joshua.
not going to grab. Hey, what's up?
What advice for anyone?
Questionam doesn't work here. Questionam doesn't work.
Oh, hi, ladies.
I'm going to sue
Any
you.
advice for anyone in general? Travel. Okay. Thank you. Yes, you only live once, right?
Oh, man, I don't-
What a good, pastry they have.
You haven't said what your name is.
Temi Tope, Temi or Tope.
From?
Nigeria Boyoto. Nigeria anyway.
Yeah, and what's your advice for anyone young? Particularly?
Actually, don't go to Hungary. Come to Australia.
You just sold Hungary. This guy says don't go to Hungary, come to Austria. Well, I understand why. I understand.
Please, let's go grab something. Please. When I done here.
Please don't laugh at my struggles.
Let's go inside.
Sandila came prepared. In the train, he was having. Yes, yes. For sure, there's dinner somewhere. There's dinner somewhere in the back. I'm telling you. Yeah, yeah.
That's for these chips. Guys, for the things we do for traveling, guys. It's what, my man?
Panini.
Panini. What is it?
Lady, she ordered it.
Don't worry.
You see the road.
The next stop is Bankan Port. Cross, because we are crossing.
Yeah. Oh, let's cross. Should we cross here? Oh, that side. Which one is better?
Here, cross there.
Okay.
You have to upload all these videos. The cheapest rate.
The energy is still high.
I was laughing at you. I was just looking at you when we were crossing.
It cost us when we jumped this.
Yeah, it's okay. Another one will come.
Like, it was good.
Oh my god. Run, 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 run.
We can sleep in Austria, bro.
We have only 10.
10 minutes. 9 minutes.
Joshua.
You want to remove your jacket. To wait for him.
From